Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody's having trouble with this clip art. It's relatively smooth. So, and I'm going to show you what he does and what's happening. Go to bitmap. We don't have to, it's so smooth, we don't have to resample it. You know, you could, but I don't think it's really going to matter in this case. So we're going to go to bitmap, outline trace, clip art, which I use 99% of the time. And then just say okay, and then if you move the dog over. But when you move the dog over, you can see the interior lines. So if we left click, right click, you've got a problem with interior lines. Now it could be cleaned up and you could cut those lines and delete those little facets, but the outside of the dog is basically clean. So let's take a rectangle tool and let's take the Smart Fill tool and just fill in the rectangle. Now what the Smart Fill tool did was make the dog, the outline of the dog, we can left click, right click, and you see the lines are away. You've got to go to object and break the curve apart to get rid of the rectangle. But now you have a good clean dog. Let's take that dog and fill it in with black and put it on the page, and you can see there's no white background, no visible lines, and problem solved. And it's a good clean sweeping. You know, it could be cleaned up a little bit here, but that could be the dog's hair. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.